The unconditional joy and serenity of the sage lies in his recognition of inexpressibly perfect unity of all things, where all things resting in their perfect relationship. And yes, it is inexpressible. It is so perfect, so united, that it is non-dual and expressible perfection, where everything actually is. And that perfect relationship simultaneously expresses itself within itself as balanced dance of all phenomena in pure love. So the sage vanished in that inexpressible perfection and simultaneously merged in the expression of pure love. So you can emulate that for yourself and enjoy that unconditional joy and serenity throughout eternity.